last one in, but it always makes me nervous when I walk over and start, because if a student's done this, he's not done it properly, we could have some trouble getting this collet system out. What I'm doing is I've pulled the first set screw out. It is simply a locking set screw. Okay? There's 4 holes around this collet holder. One of these holes is going to have 2 set screws in it. I pull the first one out, it's the locking set screw. I pull the second one out. It actually has a pilot on it that goes down into a key slot in the collet itself. And you can see that reduced shank on that second set screw. Okay? Absolutely critical, guys, that you realize there's 2 set screws in that hole. If you don't remove both set screws, you're going to fight taking this collet out, probably destroy the set screw and the collet, and very possibly the spindle nose. So use caution. Make sure that you know what you're doing when you go to remove one of these collets. I'm going to set these right here. I got a tool. 3-prong tool slides in the collet holder. And we just simply unscrew the collet out of the collet holder. If you'll notice, the collet has a key slot in it. That key slot is where that set screw goes down and holds the collet, keeps it from turning. Obviously, guys, if we don't loosen that second set screw, we're not going to be able to turn this out. Anytime you don't slide this in and it freely come out of the nose of the collet holder, you've got a problem. Stop, assess, find out what's wrong. Okay? We're going to go back in with a 1-inch 5C collet. We're going to look at the slot. I'm going to know that it's aligned with this area of the face, because once I put it in there, I'm not going to be able to tell. Once I put it in, I snug it up. Guys, we're not looking to tighten this into the taper. We're not looking to tighten this into the taper. That's going to happen during the collet closing procedure. If we tighten it into the taper, we're going to struggle putting our material in and out. Okay? So we're just going to install it loosely. We're going to line one of these holes up with our set screws. Lined up. And then we're going to install the set screws. Always put the one with the pilot in first. It goes down into the key slot.
Your hands are great photogenic.
Are they? I've been told I have hands like a model. I'm not over tightening that, guys. I'm not going to turn this around. I'm not going to put a cheater pipe on it. It's down into the key slot. I snug it up with the Allen wrench, and then I put the locking set screw on top of it to keep it from backing out. Don't over tighten things, guys. You're going to have more trouble over tightening than you are anything else. Alright, that's the installation procedure for the collet into the collet holder. This is a 5C system. Cut.